You got it, Ayla?
What's happening?
You choose.
No, you have to pick the one.
Mag-headband siya ngayon kasi gusto niya sana mag-headband kahapon. Sabi ko wag kahapon kasi naglaro kasi to ng sports.
Which one should I wear?
Up to you. You choose. It's your headband. You choose. I like this one, the middle one.
Probably I want to like this one because I did it.
Oh, okay. Alright, can I do it? And then don't touch it because it's gonna mess up your hair. There you go. You wanna wear that? You wanna be a cat?
Yes, I want to be a cat.
Sus, itong dalawang gaganda. Yan talaga yung pinili. Hello, Indy! Indy! Ah, she's coming to you. Oh no, you okay? She's a meow daw. Saying bye to ate? Oh, bye ate. Give ate a big hug. Give ate a big hug. Oh. No, we're not putting water in that.
No, we need a swimming pool.
Swimming pool, yes. If we're in the swimming pool.
We need the Nanny's house.
Nanny's house, okay.
And we need floaties.
Floaties? No, you don't need floaties. You can swim.
I don't need floaties. I need floaties. I don't swim.
Okay. We'll put floaties on. Batang maingay, ang pangalan ay India. Batang maingay, ang pangalan ay Indy Beautiful. Hello! Good morning. Why? Why? What's wrong? Hello. Hello, beautiful. Moni ampay. Oh! Mo ampay, baby. Yummers! Guys! Change your clothes na. Don't make something. Kuya's coming. Kuya's gonna clean the house. Don't make something, please. He's making something daw with the blocks na naman. Hello? Put your clothes on because we're gonna go to sports. Sports clothes now. Sige na. You want some bread?
Mama?
Hmm?
No.
Put it in the sink. Sige na. And then change your clothes. The tag at the back, hello? Tag at the back?
Yeah?
Yep. In there? Ay, nako.
I'm done. I'm almost done. What'd you tag her back?
Tag at the back. Good job, Kois. You're playing with Kois. She loves you, Alo.
He's not touching my hand.
Yeah, she loves playing with you.
He's not touching my hand.
Aww.
He is touching my hand.
She does. You love touching Koi's head?
What's this?
Yeah. Oh no! She's so happy. Careful, don't step on Kuya. Ikaw, gusto mo talagang umakyat. Saan ka akyat dyan? Here, bigil na. Look at you, baby. My goodness, Indy. Baka maglakad na to, guys, before pa siya mag-1.
Indy's a baby.
She is a baby.
What is standing up?
Huh?
What is standing up?
She's standing up. She loves standing up. She's gonna walk soon. You're gonna walk soon, beautiful.
And
Look at it.
chair?
Pushing the chair. Yeah, she can. She can now. She's really strong as well. Yeah, marunong na din siya ganyan. Noon kasi, kapag nakatayo siya, nasa stuck siya. Tapos umiiyak siya kapag gusto niyang umalis na sa kung saan siya nakatayo. Tapos ngayon, marunong na siya, guys. She goes on her knees and then bumababa siya. You figured that out, didn't you, you smart girl? Yeah, marunong na siya bumaba. Galing naman yung Indy namin. Okay, you continue playing, okay? I'm just tidying up. Tidying up because Kuya's gonna be here soon. Alo, kinuha ko na yung mga toys na yan. Nakalabas na naman. Give me your toys. It's your new house, so you don't need the toys. We need to clean up because Kuya's coming. Remember, give me your gun. Let's put it away. Yeah. Ilang beses ko na tong binalik, Arlo. Yeah, there you go. Clean up. That's in this water. Do you want your water, baby? Ayaw niya. You want to join us? Here you go. You want this? We're going because of you. It's not even time yet. But we're going now, Indy. Is that okay with you, girl? See, you don't have to put it on yourself. You're a big boy. I love your shoes. I love your shoes.
Mommy, look.
Huh?
I have young legs. I have a young leg.
You have long legs, yeah.
Why do I have young legs?
Because you finish all your food. Alright, come on, Indy.
Oh. What?
What's wrong
Oh,
with
what chicken?
you? You sleepy?
Chicken up there.
Alright, can you pick up your water, please? Come on.
Okay.
Ready?
I
What happened?
chicken.
We haven't even left yet, and Mom is already really dirty. Oh,
What
goodness. Alright, come
What?
on.
Dad, he's home.
Thanks, Kois. Alright, come here, Kois.
What is in there?
Go in. You stay in the middle, okay? You can look after Indy for me. Go. Okay. Thank you.
Oh, this is the other one.
Okay, we're going. You ready, Kois?
Yeah.
Good boy.
Yeah.
Indy. What? All good? Hello? Ready? Steady. Go! I will put your seatbelt. Are you gonna sleep, Indy? Other side? Other side.
He puts them over himself.
Did you? Good job, Indy. Yeah, she's tired.
Yeah.
Alright. Here.
Mommy, they'll make it toy. Like, they'll make a toy.
No, it's not tight. It's just safe. Uy, kumusta na yung itsura mo, Day? Let's put lipstick on.
What do you think there?
Hmm?
That's not yours, Mama.
Not a lot, no. I got the socks. Yung in-order natin na socks na ano? Mali na size.
Mommy ready?
Yes!
Andy ready? Yeah.
Yes. All ready?
Yeah.
Everyone ready! Yay! Good job, boys. Let's go to Target quickly, okay? Let's return that. And then...
We don't know topic.
Is that Jay?
Is that Jay toy?
Yeah.
Oh. Where's Jay's toy?
Hi, Jay! Alright, let's go to...
Mommy, Jay, it's so
Wait,
much
saan tayo
fun.
dadaan? Puntang Target.
Jay?
So, it's only 9:31.
Mama,
Punta tayong Target para lang talaga i-return yung socks.
What?
Kasi ready na kami. Tapos si Indy ayaw na niya
Why not using the sport?
Yes, gusto na niyang umalis eh. So, alis tayo.
Why the boy not using the sport?
Sorry, babe.
Why the boy not using
School's
the
on ahead.
The boy,
Not getting into sport.
not all boys play sports.
No.
No, yeah, no.
Why a boy not playing sports?
Yeah, not all of the boys play sports, mate. It's fine.
I watched him yesterday not playing sports.
Yeah.
He don't want to.
Some don't want to play, and that's okay.
Only listen.
Huh?
Only listen.
Yes.
I love playing sports.
I know you do.
Mommy,
Yes.
why don't win?
Sometimes you...
I win yesterday.
Yeah. But sometimes, you don't win sometimes. And you know what? That's okay. That's okay if you don't win, Kois.
I can do this.
Yeah. Did you wave to the bus driver? He said thank you. Yep, thank you.
Is that Jay bus driver?
Hmm?
Is that Jay bus?
No, Jay is not the bus driver.
Why?
He's at our house. Alright guys, kagagaling lang namin dun. Sobrang nagmamadali ako. Hindi naman sobra, but pinuntahan ko lang talaga yung kailangan kong gawin. So, na-return ko yung socks. Nagpunta din ako ng chemist. I got my script. And now, we're off to sports. It's 10:02. Sports starts at 10:30. Ito.
I don't want those.
Why? What do you want?
Because I have a toy.
Diba? Ganyan tayo pag pumunta tayo ng Target. Gusto niya ng toy. Hindi ko siya binilhan.
My Ninja Turtle is broken.
No, it's not. Your Ninja Turtle toy?
And I don't put it out and not make a noise.
Alright, you have to show me at home. I need to see that it's broken. Because I think it's not. The last time I checked, it wasn't broken. It was working perfectly fine.
No, the toy, and I make a sound yesterday.
It didn't make a sound. Okay, you have to show me, okay? After sports, you show me. And then if it's broken, I'll get you one, okay? Because you can't have multiple toys. That's not good. You have to show me, okay?
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Let's go to sports. We are here. We got a car park. Thank you very much. It's 10:12. Sports starts at 10:30. So we are early. And Indy's awake. You know what? Let's go so we can hopefully put Indy to sleep. Alright, let's go. Tara na. Kachika pa sana ako kasi sabi ko ang aga. But ilakad-lakad natin si Indy and hopefully she sleeps. Let's go. Still awake. Why are you still awake, girl?
Because he's a young Miss Rachel. I'm here, Mama.
Don't go there. Go on the side.
Here.
Ay, nako. Ikaw, batang bait ka talaga. Careful, ha?
I will.
Alright. Good job.
I don't need help.
Okay, you don't need help.
Show you.
Okay, show me. Good job.
See? I told you I don't need help. I will do this. Mama? I'm not told. Here. I have the booty. Mommy, want to put up here.
Yep, lots of birds.
But I see only one bird.
Only one bird?
Here.
Okay. That's good.
And that one funny family.
Alright, stay still. I'm gonna close it. I'm ready, yes.
Ready, yeah?
Yep.
I'm ready, yeah?
Arlo's ready, yes.
Everyone ready?
Everyone ready.
No. Everyone ready? Not two people that everyone ready.
Pinapatulog ko to, guys. Arlo's really good. Nandun lang siya, guys, mag-isa. Ah, Kois. Look at my Kois. Siya lang mag-isa dun. Tumitingin siya dito. So, I'm making sure na nakatingin ako sa kanya. So, pagtingin niya dito, tinathumbs up ko siya. Ang cute ng aking anak. Very independent na. Look at him. Sabi ko kasi sa kanya, patulugin ko lang si Indy, ha. Tapos sabi niya, yes, mommy, don't worry about me. Ay, my heart. My heart. Wala na. Kung wala ka dito, nag-iiyak na ako dito. Ewan ko sa'yo. Hello, baby. Get some sleep. Ang lapit na niya kasi, oh. We are back in the car. We are heading to Welcome Asia. Kasi nag-order na naman ako ng Dunkin Donuts. Kung taga-Adelaide kayo and nag-crave kayo ng donut, ng masarap, Dunkin Donut, i-follow nyo guys si Welcome Asia Kasi nagpo-post siya kung meron siyang available na Dunkin Donuts. So she posted last week and said na yeah, meron siyang parating. So nag-order ako last week and ready for pickup na actually siya yesterday. I just didn't have time to do it yesterday, so we're doing it today. And great timing because Indy is sleeping. Yes, baby? You finished your sandwich. Well done, Kois. Oh, okay. Just drop it on the floor. That's fine. Or you wanna give it? Okay. You dropped it already? Okay. What else?
Mama, my tummy.
Your tummy is okay?
That's okay.
It's hooty. And then alam niyo bang si Indy hindi talaga natulog, guys. So after kasi nung routine na pinakita ko sa inyo kanina nung nasa bilog si Arlo, after nun, kailangan na mag-join ng parents kasi yun na yung nagpapasa na kayo ng bola. So, tinanggal ko na lang siya sa car seat at hinayaan ko na lang siya. And it was actually really good. Sabi ko, ay, bakit ko ba pinilit na matulog siya? She was really cute. She was just crawling around. Ang cute-cute niya. Sabi ko, next time hindi ko na siya pipiliting matulog. I will just let her join in. Kasi ang cute-cute niya, as in. Tapos yung gapang niya, for some reason, doon sa gym, is yung matinong gapang, hindi yung parang, hindi yung sa belly yung ginagamit niya. So she was really cute. Ang cute-cute niya. Indy was really cute, wasn't she, Alo? Did she join you?
Yeah, and she's sleeping.
She's sleeping now, yeah. She's really tired. Ready? You don't want to walk? We're here. Dito na kami. Welcome, Asia. Tingin tayo ng anong kailangan natin. I love it. Puno kaayo. Puno kayo yung store na pod. Yeah, no, that's good. Meron sila nito, guys. Oh, sea grapes, yung lato. Hindi lang ako mahilig dito, but si Manay sana. Yan ang wala na siya. Wala siya sa atin. But meron sila niyan kung naghahanap kayo niyan. Ano yung nandito? Hala, may jackfruit. Oh. Alright. Keep going, Alo. Wala pa kami nakukuha. Kakapasok lang namin. Yes, baby? What's that? Dried. Oh, what's that? Ano yan? Catfish. Ano yung catfish? Merong Mr. Chips na sweet corn. Sarap ba to? Try natin isa. What is that? Kung ano-ano pinakukuha. Uy, tamarindo. No. Go, put it back. That's sour. Yeah, sour. Silly boy. Tasty. Guys, meron silang mais. Yeah, yellow papati. Oh my gosh, namiss ko to. You don't like it? Healthy choice? Healthy to?
Something tasty.
Hindi lang ako marunong magluto niyan. That's yucky. Yes. Okay, that's alright. That's okay. Allah, meron silang fish cracker. Can you help me get that, Alo? That's my favorite. Can you get those for me, please?
2?
Yes, please. 2. 1. 2. Thank you, Kois.
And why do you have 2?
Actually, 3.
3?
Ano ba yan?
No, this fell down.
Okay, that's okay. 4? Oh my gosh. Alright, let's go.
Are you done?
Not yet. We're still going. Yes?
I don't need to Turtle House.
Ninja Turtle house?
Yeah. I learned the Ninja Turtle House.
Okay. Guys, it's already 2:16. Kanina pa kami nasa bahay. Diretso ako sa office ni Daddy. Meron kami inasikasong mga kapapilan. Anyway, Dunkin' Donuts from Welcome Asia. Yung iba na put away ko na. But I saw this. Gusto ko siyang itry. Butter mix na extra crunchy daw. So, mag-chicken tayo one time. And itry natin yan. Actually, perfect. Meron akong ano dyan. Chicken breast. Hi-ho. Masarap to, guys. Yung kanilang spicy na hi-ho. And then, I got Skyflakes. Ito, gusto to ng mga bata kasi binabaon nila mostly kapag swimming. So, after ng swimming ni Ayla, habang hinihintay niya yung daddy niya, ito yung kinakain niya. Mas gusto nila yung kondensada kaysa sa chocolate. So, ito lang yung binili ko kasi meron pa akong chocolate dyan. And annatto powder. Bumili na ako ng annatto powder, guys. Just in case, gawa tayo ng Ilocos empanada ulit. And bumili din ako nito kasi mahirap siya hanapin sa Kohl's. Di na siya ganun kadaling hanapin. So, I just got quail eggs in water. Chinek ko din kasi yung kanyang expiration date. Matagal pa siya ma-expire. So, baka mag-quick tayo one time. And then, may piyaya. Gusto ko yung piyaya na malaki sana. Kaya lang, ito lang yung available. So, I got dalawang original, isang ube. Masarap to with kape. And then, pinakurap. Ingay ni hindi, diba? Yung pinakurap ko, malapit na naman maubos. And then, bumili lang ako nito, 2 Argentina na meatloaf. Yun lang. Tsaka yung ibang, chips na put away ko na. That's it, people. Magkano ba yung Dunkin' Donut? Dunkin' Donut is $30. Tapos meron ka ng 25 munchkins. Pwede ka pumili ng mix or yung puro choco butternut. I like the choco butternut, so I just choose all choco butternut. But yeah, it's good, guys. It's yummy. Punta pala kami kina Lyra ngayon. So maya-maya lang pick up na ni Daddy si Ayla. And then, yeah, mamayang hapon punta tayo kina Lay. Right here. Let me put away all this. Punta na kami kina Lyra. Malapit na kami, guys. Mga 2 minutes away na lang kami.
Yeah, 2 minutes.
2 minutes away. Family's ready?
Now 1 minute away.
1 minute away. Nakatulog ako, guys. Thank you, Lord. So, pinick up ni Dan si Ayla kanina. Sinama niya si Arlo. Tapos pinatulog ko si Indy. Natulog din ako. Tapos hindi niya ako ginising. Hindi niya pinaakyat yung mga bata doon. So, natulog ako hanggang alas 5. Thank you naman talaga. So, nakadalawang oras ako. Thank you. And now we will have good dinner. So, good day today. Dito na kami pala. Makain dito si Inday. Hello. And yung isa. Hello. Fresh from Hong Kong yan. Luto pa ng sisig. Siya talaga. So yung mga bata, kansi yung ulam. Sinubuan ko lang kasi very messy ang rice. Come on. Big. Good job. Hello, come here, Kois. Where are you? Oh, finish! Tapos natin siya. Naubos din yung kanya. Nauna pa. Naubos. Good job, Indy. You want more? Ay, nagara si Inday. Yeah, kansi. Thank you, Dongoy. Yum. Ay, ang sarap. Sige. Oh, hello. Yan yung gusto mo. You wanna eat more? You wanna eat more? Okay, sige. Wait. I'll give you a snack. How about that?
Nagano to sa FYP ko. Ang visit na kansi.
Yung kansi?
Tapos nung sabi ni Lyra magluto siya sa kansi ko, hala! Ang aking FYP ay nakikinig sa aking isipan.
What do you want?
If I just
I was thinking to put on the table, but you didn't finish that.
Ay, namiss ko tong kansi ni Inday. Sarap nito, guys. Wait, up, B? Daddy? Danny?
Holiday na okay na kasi nakakain.
Kaya nga.
Baba, lang kayo dun, oh.
Oh, yan ay. Oh, yung asta na. Ano na yung itlog?
Okay.
What do you want? You want more rice? Alright, here. Huh? Ask Daddy.
Go for it. You good now? Ay, hindi ka pa rin tapos.
Ayan na.
Kain na.
Ram.
Kain na. Ang mga nakikita mo parang ano? Jerry's grill.
Realistically, 25.
Yeah. Sisig kung sisig.
Ang bango nga.
Kaya ba saan? Diyan.
Saan mo binibili yung ano, itong mangka?
Sa Asian shop.
Yung lata na?
Yung lata. Yeah, lata.
May nakita ko rin kay Welcome Asia, nasa freezer, naka-plastic.
Plastic.
Yeah.
Frozen na.
Gutom. Kaya nga.
Gutom ka pa rin, babe. Ay, oo.
Alam mo talaga siya, Day.
But if I was
Buti nagluto ka more rice. Siya pala uubos.
Dami pala natin.
Kaya nga.
Lahat pala ng
Tingin
taste
ko
pala.
nga sa rice mo. Ay, ang baba. Ang baba.
Sabi ko, kulang pa.
Kulang.
Hindi ako na-inform, girl. Pilipino pala ang bata. Ang gawa niyo had.
or doing a
Ang sarap ng sisig.
Hindi mo manghang.
Hindi nga maanghang. Hindi masyadong maanghang yung nilagay ko siguro. Ang bilis lang actually.
Hindi, taong-tao ka na talaga, Inday. Kaya nga, kinukuha yung plato kapag wala pang ano, sugo. Wala pang sugo.
Bagal mo daw.
Me, ano na?
Tugay ay. Gutom pa rin, Andy.
Oh, as long as it's working. Getting where you want to go.
Wala, tapos ka na, be.
Meron
Yes, baby? Hoy, how many have you had na? No, I don't believe you.
April.
I think that's enough, Alo. I think you've had way too many.
For the kids' bed. Go back to the place.
Buti yung siya yung iiyak.
Pinipilit.
Hindi na rin pinipilit.
Work before the kids get up. And then go away and drink a day.
Nothing. Sana dinala natin high chair mo, be.
Kaya nga.
How much on these pizzas? 1 minute. 1 minute? No, leave them 1 minute.
I'll leave 1 minute. Whereas I'll take your car. Where's your keys? I'll take time to go.
Kuha sila ng pizza.
They are very nice.
Gutom na din kasi ang daddy natin.
Kaya nga.
So does Veronica.
Buti na lang 30 minutes lang ang pizza. Malapit lang? Yeah. Doon lang sa labasan.
Ah.
Bye.
Bye, baby.
Kaya mo tong asawa ko. Napakain ng ice cream yung anak ko.
Good job, guys.
Kaya nga, ang cute nga nila. Ayan, oh. Yeah. Sabi ko kay Arlo, wag sarag eh.
It's easy peasy, rocket easy.
Oh, is it? Who gave you that? Did you say thank you?
Oh, you're welcome.
Ang ano na nito?
Kaya nga, parang siya matanda.
Can you have my mom?
Ask him with a sweet tita coffee. Like, okay, did you bring one? Sasabi niya, yes. Hindi naman pala stick yung binili na daddy.
Akala ko ice cream tub yung dala. Hindi ko alam, ganitong ice cream pala yung mga...
Para na siyang matanda.
Kaya nga, tapos grabe na mag-ano dahil. Nar. Australian nar. Paano na po yung nar?
Yung mga anak sa with the boy, it's herm. Ay, punyita kayo.
Mami, nar!
Yung wala pa ako pag sinasabi ko, yung sa yung Mario ba? Wait, put on the side.
Cute nila.
When you're ready. Sit down, please.
Oh my gosh, you guys are the luckiest today. I don't have any ice cream. Oh no, it's okay, but it's okay. Ang bilis. Yeah, it's okay. I'm good.
Sharing, bud.
Yeah. Oh, I don't have any ice cream. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's fine. Minsan si Ayla kasi, you don't like ice cream. Oo, ano siya eh. Lumalaban.
Yung mga nanay na to.
Kaya nga, nangiinis lang ba?
Nanginis lang, makahimik yung mga bata.
Kumakain tayo, kailangan pa nating maging good person. Taste it? It's okay. You want me to taste it? Okay. Wow, thank you. So good. Bye-bye, Inday. Thank you. Let's go.
Tama, Day, sabi mo.
Bye daw, Day.
Sabi niya, Mama.
See ya. Oh my gosh, cold.
Ang lamig ka.
Oh my gosh, it's cold. Come on, go. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Thank you.
Ang lamig.
Yung asawa mo. Nandun pa. Uy, si ano, Elijah. Elijah, down here, mate. Come here. Down here.
Gusto niya daw gumandyan daw.
Ayla, down. Watch out. Step. Oh my gosh, it's dark. Ayla, nandyan ka. Kinuha mo na si Elijah. Kami. Ano ba ito? Pagod na pagod yung dudong ko. Kausap lang namin to kanina mga 3 minutes ago. Tapos tulog siya, guys. I'll move him. Oh, my boy. Girl, you gotta sleep, girl. You have a busy day tomorrow. 2 bathrooms. Hello. Gising na gising. Si Arlo nalipat ko na dun sa bed niya.
You were watching Star Much phone. Mine is actually free.
I'm not watching phone. So good night to the guys.
Good night.
Yeah, it's there.
Good
Good night. Good night, everyone. Good night. Sus, kabuyag ni mo, bi. Oy, kabuyag bis braso na akong bibi. Oy.